Katukan ni por hadian bagi samla wat kampulit kila lej bantu rahmat ke Central Recruitment Board kepada namolai moro ban pan jing shai lor ke jing penslam ke board ban pinmi ke result habai day bak eksamen ke bakila dep banto nadu benai jemang arajar pesan nakaliang udalton marak IPS chairman ke board ulakot ekini ki samla banekren halor kani ke kam habakren shkilat patai kubor nakaliang ki samla tep kam kila pen pau ke jing songhun hadian ke jing kendo badu chairman Dalor kata kila ong rubana kaliang ucharman ula pensyai ru bagajing slam ban penmi ke result kade namar bayakani kajing penrung kam lale ke company om daga board.
Kade jing on kendo jing mata kade nikong ba pergi aspiran semua di applicants ikwa bonong bonjo jing tip kan kamre ka protes tambang iwan tang menginyo jing tip lanu mo ta result menginyo marila suya aptrang lanu menginyo normal Long kadili atau kalau adili ni long diskuatif macam tu proses. Minta te ke ayo live benai lah tam.
Ya jing sya kadi kanu benai pan pemi kata result. Mentak ayat kanu benai ka.
Ka banong kanu benai te kam tip mah kanu benai ni yo te results. Te komi home minister buron te ila ong ni ba. Hapo live benai ni pendap ke results. Te tambah live benai te kalau tam te kembang iyo keren i bisa Dalton Marak ila keren bagani ka recruitment company naka MLP kadai naka company ni baka sim paslam nak ki ya kata tang ila hun mah bani bong bersus ka pun suja te ila hun ni ka cuba ya ni nomor tak umum no iong ba by October ni November ka interview baka result set try ila pun pendap Oh, ya kata kadon bi gajeng karban iki bayakun hot bayakun hop ho. Nomor ba nganget bakan ni ka recruitment minta kalong transparan ni. Nomor kamdan minta ki iki. De kumi para bayakun tengi tip ba tabai bayakun hop ni try stom indio pa yala kanong de. Ya kata te ya ke bakram ini tengi lokun mo kata. Nomor ni mo object ni era nomor di application ni stu te bang. Ni hon dai ke bang mati. Marni ko pa tagi tip imdan haka bor bang tip itu ni amba ngangit sekali pa kamu ba mo ida kadang ni pun
Bila masa kemke kita kiba kembang pihon ke jengkran iyo kita gumnon
kembang samarat ya kata ka iong hi mangiru bakani ka recruitment menta kalong transparan bakam don kita ki yung tahu senam niki senam bur te ngangit pa Nani sekemat ru ikini result sekali bukan sewan ru kan long fair ni bangangin scam ni kata kon long tan
Nakaliang Dalton Marak chairman ke board ula pensyai bagajing simpor ban pelaj ke result kade namar balapej ikini ke kam da ke company am da ke board hende ula pentip be ikini ke kam en pendap no apo uni benai la ni ha benai ban
You want to know in regard to these matters pertaining to Meghalaya Police recruitment process. The final stage of preparation to declare the result is on, and then the candidates today wanted to know when the written results will be declared. So I have explained to them that throughout this recruitment event, we have received around 172,000 applications. Out of it, around 128,000 candidates take part in the running the physical efficiency tests, and finally around 58,000 candidates have qualified, and some of them came to appear in the written tests. With few absentees. In total, around 54,000 candidates have appeared in the written tests. So right now, the firm which is engaged for conducting this written tests and the whole process of recruitment, they are processing the preparation of the result sheets. They are also handling a huge data of around 54,000 candidates. reading the OMR sheets where the answers are given. So they are taking some time to declare, but hopefully very soon we will be able to declare the results as soon as they are able to submit a final result or the statement of the written exam. Then CRB in a position to declare the results. Right now it is not possible to give you the exact date, but hopefully within this month or by next month we should be able to give the declaration of the results and start the interview for the selected candidates. They wanted to know all this, so we have explained to them the position, and they appear to be satisfied with that explanation. Yeah, if anybody has any queries, any doubts or any questions regarding the ongoing process of recruitment, you're welcome to come to CRB office or to come and meet me. I'm available in the police headquarters, and the CRB office is here, so I can be available here also if anybody want to meet me in person. That's all I have to say. Yes, physical efficiency test is compulsory. Only those who qualify in the physical efficiency test, they are selected to go for the written test. Around 58,000 candidates have qualified in the physical efficiency test. And finally, in the written test, around 54,000 candidates have appeared. And now the checking is going on, tabulation for the marks of that 54,000 candidates. They say they are satisfied because this is a very transparent process. Written test, there are 3 copies of OMR sheets. First main copy, then second duplicate copy, and then third triplicate copy. The first copy is taken for the company to do the scanning and assessment of the marks for the written. Then second copy is kept with CRB, and then third copy is with the candidates. And then we also declare the publish the answer keys for all these questions. So they can compare, the candidates are able to compare and see how much marks they would be scoring in the written test. So they already have got the marks of the PET, and then they also are able to calculate their own written test, comparing with the answer keys published. So they are able to know how much they would be scoring. So but only thing is they are not able to know how much the highest score would be or lowest score would be among the candidates. That is only knowledge they don't know, and that is being prepared by the firm engaged for this work, and then they will give that statement, and once it comes to us, then we will publish it. It takes time. We are dependent on the firm, the contractor, so they have taken little extra time. We were hoping to declare it the complete final result by first week of September. Our target date was 1st September. However, there is little delay from their part. That is why this delay. But then it will not be delayed further. Hopefully within this month or next month, we should be able to declare it and call for the interview of all the selected successful candidates.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.